Ever wonder why hospital monitors never stop beeping? Continuous cardiac monitoring saves lives. Traditional systems often trigger way too many false alarms. This alarm fatigue makes it harder for nurses to quickly spot true medical emergencies. Smarter monitoring means fewer false alarms and safer patients. Let's help our healthcare heroes focus on what matters most. International Conference on Cardiology and Cardiovascular Medicine. 29th edition of Cardiology, Summit 15, the 17th of October 2025, Paris, France. Visit cardiology.pensis.com.